my name is FIRMAN SITUMEANG from SMAN 2 CILEUNGSI, and I am proud to be part of NSDC Senior High School Online Selection 2025 Kabupaten Bogor. Greetings, honorable adjudicators, my fellow opponent, and also people that are going to watch this video. I am now here standing as the opposition of the nickel mining in Indonesia. While I state my case, I would like to also review some of your speeches. Here, in the early part of the speech, you stated that this program will be run while protecting nature and being responsible of the people. But I would like to deny that because there's already been a report about environmental destruction on a massive scale. These sources come from the CRI.org. Over 5,000 hectares of forests cleared for this project, releasing about 2.04 million metric tons of CO2. And then the next one, being responsible of the people. The next one, violation of indigenous land rights, where the indigenous and rural communities have lost land to mining operations without consent or any fair compensations. Let's look at one of the example of the victim that lives around the mining site. We have Mixigoro. The victim, this source comes from CRI.org, stated that before this company existed, we fishermen lived well. The seawater was also good. But after this company existed, we couldn't even fish. The seawater is too dirty. The next one is Pauliana, lives a few kilometers from the mining site in BBC Indonesia. She stated that during the high tide season, brown mining waste flows and pollutes my village. So which part of this due data that protects the nature and being responsible of the people? The next one, in the middle of your sentence, you stated that you'll do this program while doing a smart management and also not ignoring rules of environmental needs, where the mining company, while also mining the nickels, need to simultaneously maintain the environment or taking care of it. But here's data that shows that major mining shareholders like the Xiangshan, Huayo Cobalt, Jiangxi, and other companies like Eramet, Bahasa, and POSCO are failing to uphold environmental and human rights standards. This means that their company come here purely out of profit and does not care about the indigenous people that lives there or even the environment. What does this conclude? This means that the Indonesian government prioritizes industrial growth over environmental protection and indigenous rights. So what's the point of which part of this is called smart management or making environmental a better way and being fair to the people? I see this that's why this house does not agree about the mining of nickel in Indonesia, because this is just too fast and Indonesia still needs some time for them to actually continue such large project. That is from me. Thank you for listening.